How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Okay, student, today let's start with our KUW. That means knowledge of understanding world. The topic of KUW that we are going to do is insects. Okay? Now here, read the question with me. What is an insect? Once again, what is an insect? An insect has 6 legs and 2 antennas on its head. Students, do you know what are antennas? Okay, antennas are basically known as the nose of an insect and used for sense of smell. Okay, for example, butterfly, ladybug, honeybee, ant, mosquito, grasshopper, cockroach, and housefly. Now here what we are going to do, that we are going to color the insects and we are going to draw the lines to connect them to the insect jar. Now the first one we have already done. What is this, students? Very good. Ladybug. Ladybug is an insect or not? Yes, it is an insect, so we have connected it with the insect jar. Now come to the next one. What is this? Very good. Seahorse. Seahorse is an insect or not? Very good. It is not an insect, so we are not going to connect it. Okay? Now come to the next one. What is this? Very good. Dragonfly. It is an insect or not? Very good, students. It is an insect, so we are going to connect it with the insect jar like this. Okay, what is this? Very good. Mosquito. Mosquito is an insect or not? Yes, it is an insect, so we are going to connect it with the insect jar like this. Okay, now come to the next one. What is this, student? Beetle. Beetle is an insect or not? It is an insect, so we are going to connect it with the insect jar like this. Okay, now come to the next one. What is this, student? Pig. Very good. Pig is an insect or not? No, it is not an insect, so we are not going to connect it. Okay, okay, students, now in the same way you are going to check that which one is the insect and you are going to connect it with the insect jar. Okay, now come to the next picture. What is this? Housefly. Then honeybee. Very good. Then leaf. Very good, students. Now the next one, grasshopper. Very good. The next one, sheep. Very good. And the last one, ant. Okay, so in the same way you are going to connect the insects with the insect jar like we have done. Okay, now here you have an assignment that you are going to match the same insects. Okay, now come to the first one. What is this? Ant. Very good. Then butterfly. Then cockroach. Very good. Then dragonfly. Then the last one, beetle. Very good. Okay, so you are going to match the same insects. Okay, thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.